In this presentation, we will discuss about the positional number system. In a positional number system, there are main four terminologies, that is symbols, base, number and the value of a number. We need to distinguish between all those things very clearly. We need to understand these things. What is the purpose of this thing? What is the significance of each of this? Now, what are the symbols? Symbols means some particular set of symbols which is used to represent the count. For example, if we have one element, so to represent count of one element we use these symbols. This is called 1. To represent two element, that is count of two element, we use this symbol 2. And this way we use, so to represent count like this, 4 element we use this symbol. 5 element, it is this symbol is used. For 6 element this symbol is used. For 7 element this symbol is used. And similarly like this, for 9 element we are using this, for 10 element we are using this symbol, and so on. We have more. Now these are the symbols. Actually there is a set of symbols which are used to represent a particular number of count. Now let us understand what is base. Base is, in positional number system, is the number of symbols we use in that particular number system is called base. So base is equal to number of symbols. In case of decimal number system, 10 symbols are used, so base is equal to 10. So what are the 10 symbols here? We used 1 to 9 for representing count, and there is another symbol to represent no count, that is called 0. If there is no element, it is called 0. So these are the set of symbols used in case of decimal number system, that is base is equal to 10. Similarly, in case of binary number system, there are two symbols used and the base is equal to 2. The number of symbols is 2, so the base is equal to 2, and the set of symbols is 0 and 1. From this 0 represent no element. When there is no element, we represent it as 0, and for one element we represent 1. So in case of binary number system, only these two symbols are used. In case of decimal number system, the first 10 symbols are used. Similarly, in case of ternary number system, there are 3 symbols we use, and as the number of symbols is 3, so base is equal to 3, and the set of symbols are 0, 1 and 2. Similarly, the another two popular number system are octal number system. In this case 8 symbols are used, so the base is equal to 10, and the set of symbols is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is total 8 symbols are there. And also the hexadecimal number system, here 16 symbols are used, so the base is equal to 16, and the symbols used 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 letters are used to complete total 16 symbols. So this is all about the symbols. Now symbols and base we have completed. That is, the symbols is just to represent the count, and base is the number of symbols we are using in that particular number system is called base, and this is called radix also. Base or radix. Radix and base both are same thing. Now let us understand what is the number. Now number is anything created by the combination of the set of symbols. For example, 2, 1, we have combined two symbols here, this one symbol and this one symbol. This is a number, but this is the complete information is not here. We need another thing also to know what exactly this number means. Another thing we need, that is called base. Along with the combination of the symbols, we need to write the base here. Otherwise we will not be able to calculate the value of this number. We can have the same symbol combination but with a different base, that is here base is equal to 3. So these two numbers are same but their values are different. So here comes the value. value comes when we have the set of symbols along with the base. So we have added two more number, that is same number in different base. This is base equal to 4 and here base is equal to 2. Now see the most interesting thing, the number is same here, 2 1 2 1 2 1 and 2 1. In all of these cases it is 2 1, but in all of the cases base is different. So we are going to get different value for all this case, that is the number is same. So let us understand clearly what is the difference between a number and its value. A number is just the combination of the set of symbols and there's a base along with it, and that particular representation is called that number. And with each and every number in a base number system, positional base number system, there is a value associated with it. Now let us see how to calculate the value. So to calculate the value, we first write the symbols like this, then we multiply the base value, that is here what is the base is equal to 10. So we have multiplied base 10 with each of these single symbol number, and later we have assigned power to the base starting from 0 then 1, and if we had more symbols there we would have added 0 1 then 2 then 3 and so on. Here we have only two symbols, so we have added 0 and 1. Then we will add these two to get the value. So after doing this calculation, we get this equal to 20 and this equal to 10% is equal to 1, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So actually in case of decimal number system, the number and the value is same. Now let us see what is the value of this number in case of ternary number system. So we have written the numbers here. First the symbol 2 into the base is equal to 3, and then 1 into 3, and then we have assigned power starting from 0 and then 1, then we have added them up. Now let us do the calculation. So here we get the value, that is equal to 7. How we get it? 2 into 3 power 1 is equal to 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6, and then 1 into 3 power 0 is equal to 1, we get 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So here the number is 21 actually. In base 3 to 1 means 7 in decimal number system. So whatever we are getting here, we are getting the value in decimal. Okay, actually as we are doing the calculations here in decimal number system, so whatever we are getting here, the multiplication, the addition, whatever we are doing, that is all in decimal, because we are familiar with that decimal number system. So for our help we do all kind of manual calculation in decimal. Okay, so whatever value we are getting here after doing this calculation, that is in decimal number system. So 21 in ternary means 7 in decimal, 21 in decimal means 21 in decimal. There is no difference here. And if the base is equal to 4, then we are going to calculate its value. We will get something different than this. So here in case of base 4, we get 21 is equal to 9. Now let us see this one here, 21 in base 2. So first let us check, is this a valid number system? Actually this is not a valid number system, because this symbol 2 does not belongs to this set. In case of binary, what are the symbols we used? 0 and 1, two symbols are used. If this is the case, then whatever the symbols here we are combining, those symbols must belongs to this set of symbols. But here in this case, this symbols 2 does not belongs to this set. So this is not a valid number. So this is invalid. So for the timing, this is all about the positional number system. If you really feel this video is helpful to understand this concept, then please like it and also share it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.